showing off their new headphones. Tri-Sound. Q-Style. We got Creative as well. HBK. And we got the Lyric Audio with the Meze Audio, should I say, with their Lyric headphones, Varium 2s, MD08s. We got IFI here with all their beautiful amplifiers. So you can see some headphones too. They're portable players as well. Here we're coming up to the Hi-Fi booth, which I was just at. Tested out the Susvara Unveiled, which you can see this gentleman testing out right now. They got all kinds of headphones here. Everything you could want to test. And their amplifiers as well. So that was a tour of the Hi-Fi Nun. Now we got Ferrum Audio. The Composing. There's the Ferrum. Take a look at some of their stats.
I thought today maybe you'd be announcing it.
Here we have the Sony. I'm going to take a look what we have here for the Sonys.
Wow.
We have the Cubas with their beautiful streaming service. The Model 1. I didn't get a chance to test these. Those will have to be next time. The Arashi full-size planar magnetic headphones. The Odyssey booth from behind. We'll check that in a minute. I'm just going to take a look at the final D8000 DC. You can take a look at them here quickly.
Wait, I'll stop right now. All right, he's here. Nice to see you.
And they're looking beautiful. We had a test of them and they sound really great. We'll move our way down here. You got the Noble area. Check out all the high-end. We have the listening stage and the new, I believe they're Noble Apollo. And we'll move around over here to the Odyssey. We'll see what they got going on at this today. There we got the Odyssey Maxwell's best gaming headphone made. And as well, their Odyssey other gaming headphone sets. LCD GK, is it? Here we're looking at the LCD 5. We have the closed backs running off of a Holo audio amplifier. This gentleman is trying on the LCD 2s. Let me take a look here. He was also checking out the LCD 2 Classics. And here are the CBRN 2s, which I got a private listening for. They're just an amazing headphone. I don't know if you'll be able to pick up my low audio here, working off of a smartphone microphone. So we'll check what we got going on here, and then we'll check out 64 audio. So here we got some other 500 series headphones. MM100s. And here we have Apos Audio, basically a retailer who sells a little bit of everything. Actually, here's the Theo booth table. A lot of the DAPs and dongles. Some of their headphones as well too. BTR, the FT17 or BTR1.
No, you got to stand.
You have to mind me, we're doing a live, raw, uncut version here of what's taking place. So it's not going to be your crystal clean, edited, typical YouTube video. We're showing you exactly what we got here. And here we have the headphones.com booth. One of the biggest booths showing off all the latest gear here. We're showing off everything you could imagine. And here we are at the Focal booth, showing off the new Bluetooth, the Azuris. Wanted to get a look at those. There we go. And here's the famous Utopias, which I'm looking to maybe get a quick test on these on the way out the door. They're looking just as beautiful as ever. There's the Stellia as well. And here we are. We have some more in-ear monitor technology. We're going to cover, this is in-ear monitor alley plus sound. We've got techniques coming up and topping as we're winding down the show. Let's see if anything new on display here at topping. We have some new amplifiers here. Looks like the A90 Pro and the A70, sorry. Do not see the GX9. Yeah. We have a D900 and A900 as well. We have the Cord Electronics here. Let's show what they're showing off here. Upscale audio. SSML. You have techniques showing off a few of their in-ears as well. We have the MASS-kobo, which we tried earlier. We have the Fostex Lab once again. Of course, we have the
I already have it promised to somebody,
Raw.
but let's check with me at the end of the day. I forget who it goes to. I'm happy to have you do it.
He's pretty busy. There we got Freed and all the beautiful electric stuff. Once again. And we have Dave from TNA still working the booth. Showing off all their great equipment. And his headphones will be given a try. Here we are. And
Did you try it in with the V-Buddy? I've tried the brand new one. The brand new is like the same. You tried it what? Give them 100 hours to use them and 10 hours least on your huge.
here we have his Zeos testing out his new headphones, the Iris. His Iris is giving him a good chat, letting him know.
I'll go take a peek over there. I don't know what you're talking about. It's about work. I think that's why I only like it not made it not tinny yet. It's so shrill.
Here we go. I think we're going to have to get a test of these Mod House before we get out of here,
I definitely
guys.
hear it being tinny. I don't think it's like that
There's
excessive.
Zeos.
I feel it.
Send it. Really. Hashtag send it.